Meow. Meow. So I am drawing with just a regular roller ball pen, which is meant for just writing. But they're kind of cool to draw with too. They they're really nice and smooth. And I'm just kind of doing a drawing by the heart here. Not worrying about perfection, just kind of following my intuition around. Oh, and we have a visitor. She's helping. That's Sharma. Totally throwing away perfectionism here and just going with the flow. I'm not worried about it making it look like this exact same kitten. It's just the cat energy I want to capture in this cute little portrait. Pop that muzzle in. See, I got some nice lines here for the eyes. I just find if I draw this way, just going with the flow of the energy through the drawing, I end up with more genuine looking drawings that are more true and honest to my own expression. I like it so far. It's really about the line for me. The line can be so expressive, and just changing a line somewhat can change the expression of your drawing so much. So just have fun with it. All those extra lines, they end up adding energy too to the drawing. They add energy and movement and tone. Like the way that you're on our left is kind of tilted a little. Really adds a kind of a quizzical expression to Kitty, I think. Just a suggestion of tabby stripes on the tail. And a wiggle line. Wiggle lines are great. Another way to add energy to the drawing. It's hard to know when to stop. You just gotta get the feeling of when it seems right. No whiskers. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.